hasn't taken that long to grow red. The metal that you can see in there is lead that I melted a long time ago. It's just on the inside of the actual thing, and you can see it's dribbling around the sides. Right, so I've been playing around with it for a while, and the whole point of this test was to test if the lining was any good, the refractory. So, I mean, at the top it's still a little loose, but look, it's not breaking off. It's almost as solid as concrete, and that's just sand and fire clay. So you definitely don't need any cement in there. So yeah, all looks good.